10 colorful bicycles you must see. Welcome to All Bicycles, created by JoLau Creators, the place we share our passion with you about bicycles. So get inspired. If it's one video you've been asking us to make, it's this one. Initially, we wanted it to be a top 10 where we ranked the most beautiful of the most beautiful green bicycles. But to be completely honest, you either hate it or you love it. Is green not your color? No stress. Check out the other videos in the playlist under the name Colorful Bicycles on Monday. If you're new here, welcome. Be sure to subscribe and follow us on the other social media. Okay, are you ready for 10 green bikes? Let's start. Number 1, the green crossbike. In other words, the mountain bike. A mountain bike is an all-terrain bicycle that is specially made for cycling on unpaved roads or paths. With this green steel rock star, you can brave the steepest hills. A good choice, especially for sports enthusiasts. This one already has an owner. Don't forget to maintain your mountain bike well. In any case, after every ride, we continue with our cycle route. There is still so much beauty to see. Keep moving. Number 2, the green steel maker. This is what we call cycling in style. It has a fresh, light appearance. Okay, it's a slightly older model. This beauty falls under the racing bike category. Number 3, making art with the bicycle as a source of inspiration. Art history is full of paintings, sculptures, and installations, with the timeless bicycle as the protagonist. The combination of art and bicycle has always produced high-quality works of art. We love it. We are already well on our way. Don't forget to keep yourself hydrated during this cycling route. Number 4, the men's bike. We hear you thinking, a men's bicycle? Yes, a men's bicycle. A men's bicycle is a bicycle for men. Duh. What is the difference with a women's bicycle? Look closely. The biggest difference between a men's bicycle and a women's bicycle is that the men's bicycle has a high frame tube. This tube is for extra strength. Number 5, the green tiger. Are you also longing for summer? The sun, the beach, a bike ride. We swoon at the idea for a moment. Give us a moment. Isn't that Casper the Frog from The Neighbor? Oh, sorry. Focus. Green frog. Green bicycles. Let's go. Number 6. This is what we call a splash in the green. It's a granny bike. It's a simple lady's bicycle. Because the bicycle was seen as old-fashioned, it was often associated with the grandmother. The basket fits the bike perfectly. Number 7. Absolutely our favorite. A cool racing bike. We love it. Number 8. This is a nice one. Have you ever seen something like this? A folding bicycle is a bicycle that can be folded or retracted to a smaller size. A practical bicycle. We have the finish line in sight. Hang on a little longer. Number 9. The green city bike. A city bike is a comfortable bicycle that is especially suitable for daily use, such as to school, work, and shops. Super handy. And healthy too, to take the bike more often. We have arrived at number 10. Another granny bike. A typical image in Dutch cities, right on the canals. Those were the 10 green bicycles. The cycling world has a diversity of bicycles. Also in terms of color. Wasn't green your favorite color? No problem. Please let us know what your favorite color is and leave your comment below. And maybe our next video in the video series, Colorful Bicycles on Monday, will be in your color. Thank you for spending some time with us. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. We see you next week.